Welcome to this general knowledge quiz. Get ready to test your brain and see how many questions you can answer correctly. Let's begin. Which animal cannot swim? It's hippo. Hippos don't actually swim, they move by walking along the riverbed. What percentage of your DNA do you share with a banana? 60%. What is a group of ravens officially called? The answer is an unkindness. What is the official name of the hashtag symbol? It's Octothorpe. Which mammal has fingerprints almost identical to humans? If you chose koala, you're right. How long does it take a photon to travel from the sun's core to its surface? Thousands of years. Which country has the most pyramids in the world? Yes, it's Sudan. Which animal has 3 hearts? Correct, it's octopus. Which bird can sleep while flying? Yes, albatross. Which animal can survive the longest without water? You got it. Kangaroo rat. Which country had female combat pilots in World War II? That's correct. Soviet Union. Which country contains about 60% of the world's freshwater lakes? It's Canada. Which country has the most official languages? Bolivia. Which desert is expanding faster than any other in the world? Sahara Desert. Which lake is the deepest in the world? Lake Baikal. How much electrical power does the human brain generate? 12 to 25 watts. What part of the human body contains the fastest growing cells? That's right. Hair has the fastest growing cells. What color is water in large quantities like an iceberg or deep ocean? It's blue. Which element is liquid at room temperature besides mercury? Bromine. What color comes after red on a traffic light? Yes. The answer is yellow. Which material was used to make the first computer mouse? Exactly. The first computer mouse was made from wood. Which was the first video game ever created? It's Tennis for Two. Which famous explorer never actually sailed to the Americas? Marco Polo. Which city was the first to reach a population of 1 million? Rome was the first city to reach 1 million people. Which river flows through the Grand Canyon? Colorado River. What is the only letter not appearing in the periodic table? Exactly. The answer is J. Which animal can sleep for up to 3 years without eating? Snail is the right answer. Which animal has the largest brain relative to body size among mammals? If you chose C, you're right. If you could drive straight up at 100 kilometers per hour, how long would it take to reach space? 1 hour. Which of these is the origin of the word salary? Salt allowance,